And we start with a live look across the region. A partly cloudy sky across central and north Alabama now. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s. I did want to highlight this Gadsden camera here. You can see a few more clouds in place. And at this point, we are starting to see the development of a few isolated showers. Those have mainly been north and east of the city of Birmingham thus far. And within the last 15 to 20 minutes, starting to see a few isolated showers also develop across Clay County. But I wanted to show you these heavier pockets of rain. One sitting just to the northeast of Rock Run in Cherokee County. Another shower here just south of I-20 in Cleburne County. We will see a few more of those as the day progresses. So let's move the clock forward. This is what a computer model thinks the radar will look like. 1 p.m. some hit and miss thunderstorms, especially along into the east of I-65. And by the later part of the afternoon, that chance expands just a bit. Now, don't count on rain. A lot of folks won't see rain today, and where it does not rain, it will feel hot and sticky. Those humidity values have climbed a bit since earlier this week, and temperatures will end up in the low to mid 90s. So when you factor that together, it is going to be a hot day across central and north Alabama. So a low chance of rain for some locations today, but looking ahead towards tomorrow and Saturday, we do have impact weather in the forecast. We're expecting the possibility of a few strong storms both tomorrow and on Saturday. Doesn't storm all day long tomorrow or all day on Saturday, but where it does storm, a few could briefly turn severe with gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rain. Storm Prediction Center including the northern third of the state in that marginal level 1 out of 5 risk for tomorrow. So this is for Friday. Main time frame would be afternoon and evening. Then on Saturday, notice that area expands to include more of the state of Alabama. Another marginal risk on Saturday for the afternoon and evening hours. Main threats similar to Friday are going to be gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rain. So let's break it down hour by hour. I'm going to start the clock here 6 a.m. on Friday. At that point, we are calm and quiet. Notice storms still to our north by about lunchtime, and it's during the afternoon and early evening that some of those storms are going to be drifting into Alabama, and those could bring that risk of gusty winds, frequent lightning, heavy rain. By 9 o'clock, we're left with just a few isolated thunderstorms, and then we will be quiet through much of the evening Friday. I do expect a little bit better coverage of rain and thunder on Saturday. This is 6 a.m. At that point, a few isolated showers possible, but a lot of folks are dry. Then we've got a line of storms moving through during the afternoon, lasting into the evening hours, and it's along this line here that a few storms could briefly turn severe with gusty winds, frequent lightning, and heavy rain. Takeaway message here, just be sure you're paying attention to the forecast and you are weather aware both tomorrow and, tomorrow and on Saturday. Here's a look at the next 7 days. You'll see those impact icons Friday and Saturday. It's not a washout either day, but where those storms develop, they could briefly turn strong. Sunday, we keep the chance for a few isolated storms. That would mainly be south of I-20. Otherwise, we've got a temperature in the low 90s, and we are looking to be drier as we enter into next week.